everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Slick car, guys. A buddy of mine out of North Carolina is the one who found this car for me. It is a Rotisserie Restoration. They said it was done about 6 years ago. It is a true RM VIN Roadrunner. Factory R6 red car. It's got a healthy 440 underneath the hood with a solid lift camshaft and roller rockers. Factory D21 4-speed car. Really nicely done though. Car is really slick. They didn't body color underneath. Even though the front frame rails and everything are red when you get underneath the car, they actually did the bottom of the car in a black. Killer set of Billet Specialty wheels all the way around it. Those are 10-inch wide wheels in the rear. Slick R6 red paint. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick, guys. I mean, this thing is, that's just a little dust there, guys. Very nicely done. New bumpers, like you say, chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. Paint is slick. Gaps on the car are nice. Let's see how nice the dash is in there. Glass is nice. Even that rear glass is nice. They did a very nice job restoring this car. If you're looking for a nice Mopar, you're going to like this car right here. Look how straight that thing is down the sides. Nitto rubber all the way around the car. Again, those are 10-inch wide rears, so it's got some meats on the ground. Those are 18-inch Billet Specialties wheels. Front disc brakes. As you can see when we walk around, it's got all stainless steel bolts and fasteners on the car too. Detailed up very nice underneath the hood here, guys. It's got a 67 440 engine in it. Obviously, they didn't build a 4-barrel 440 Roadrunner, so this is not an original engine car. It would have been factory a 3-3. Quick fuel dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It does got a solid lift camshaft in it with roller rockers. You can see it's got a MSD Digital 6AL ignition box in it with a Pro Billet distributor. Upgraded. As a matter of fact, I just put one of these on one of my vehicles on a truck I have. It's got a Borges in it. I don't know if you can see it down there. Quick ratio power steering gearbox on it. Those are really nice. I think it's a 3-turn lock-to-lock or something they call them. I'll show you underneath the hood. My memory's getting bad. I can't remember. That is a pretty car. That's the original A-pillar. You can pick that chrome a little bit. You can see it's got showing a little wear. This is a remote driver's mirror, again, original. New door handles. New door rubbers. Door seams are very nice on the car. It's got the factory black interior in it. And of course, this car has the coveted bucket seats with console. Less than 10% of these cars were bucket seat console cars, guys. That's why everybody, it's so hard to find these. The majority of these cars were bench seat cars. Seats are nice. They've definitely all been redone. Headliner looks new. Beautiful stock steering wheel. Showing 77,808. We do not know the mileage since it was restored. But like they said, it was 6 years ago. Tach works. That is a factory AM/FM radio, but they have upgraded that. So they've sent it out and they've upgraded the interior of it. Of course, it's got the Hurst Pistol Grip shifter. It has a 3-inch X-pipe Magnaflow dual exhaust system in it. 8 3/4 373 sure grip rear axle. Done very nice in here. They did the inner fenders and the sides in like a hammer coat, but then it's finished. I don't know why they did that, but looks good. Factory jack, got spare, no tire. Very, very nice car. As always, there'll be photos of the car underneath on our website. Encouraging people to definitely give us a call if you can. A lot of scams on the web, on the internet right now. So if you can, pick up the phone and call us, guys. Just a lot of scams. You can always reach us at 248-620-3355. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, steering wheel's beautiful. Center console's nice. About the same with this A-pillar chrome. Sounds good. Nice little bolt to the cam. Jack works. All your gauges are functional. Parking brake works in there. Like, sorry, it'll blow your eardrums out when it comes on. Radio works, blower motor works, reverse light works. I did the same thing. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Well, that's pretty. You can also now subscribe to our southernmotors.com. Another way to keep track of us. Look at that car. Beep beep horn works. That car is pretty.